Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 17th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So the US dollar again has been very sideways pretty much all week long. A lot of the dollar pairs actually have been. We still have not had any break of structure to the upside, so I'm definitely still recommending shorts. There's nothing stopping this thing from going down again. Now, if it does break structure, then most likely it will make a crescent to the whole move down. So that would probably put us up to at least a 38, maybe 50 or 61%. So if you do get a break of structure, then you could justify looking for longs on these sort of time frames, because then you would likely expect to see a pullback to the whole move down. But until that breaks, we have to assume that the trend is still down. Every single one of these swings right here is a lower high, if you'll notice. That tells me that if you were just looking for shorts all week, even if you were trading a very short time phase, looking for shorts all week was definitely the best strategy. And until we get a break of structure, I think it will continue to be the best strategy, especially looking at the higher time frames like the daily time frame and up, which are in a very, very strong downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.